In this video, I'll show you how to create a view in Google Analytics. It is a straightforward and clearly described with the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, Google Analytics provides detailed information about your website's visitors, so you can track demographics, geographic locations, devices used, and more. So this data helps you understand your audience better. So, so basically, what you need to do right now is log into your Google account. All right, sign into Analytics. So once you've signed in to your account using your credentials, we go here at the dashboard right here. Okay. To be able to view your data, all you gotta do is go here at reports. All right. As you can see, that I have like a red notification message here that my Google Analytics can't find any data streams. So I need to set up a stream to start collecting data in this property. So what will happen if I check this red button here? All right, I'll be hovered down to choose the web, Android app, and the iOS section. All right, so basically, my account is limited, so I cannot add any I cannot create a view in Google Analytics right now, but don't worry because we will still manage to do that here. All right. So here in the support.google, this is where you can create a new view in your account. So first is click admin, and then account and property to which you want to add a view, because I don't have the data yet on my Google Analytics account, so I can't move forward. But if you have, so in the view column, click the menu, then click plus create view. All right. So select either website or mobile app. That's my dashboard earlier, but I have to set up the streaming platform first. And then enter a name. Use a specific and descriptive name so you can easily tell what data is in this view when you see the name in the list. And then select the reporting time zone. If your analytics account is linked to a Google Ads account, the time zone is automatically set to your Google Ads preference. And you won't see this option, okay? And if you want to learn more about the reporting time zone settings works, all you're gonna do is click on this drop-down menu below, right? For user ID enabled properties only, click the toggle on to create a user ID view. And for a reporting view, leave the toggle set to off. And then click create view. And after you create a view, you can come back to the admin page and edit the view settings right here. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.